What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. So today we're actually going to be finishing out this lip kit. I only had the CS style front installed, and what we have here, I've actually had these laying around for a while, is these side skirts and rear spats, skirts, whatever you want to call it. We have them laid out right here. So for the side skirts, we actually picked those up from Speed, and the rear spats, I don't remember where I got them. Might have been eBay, might have been Amazon, might have been another site, don't remember, but I'll try to link it below. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. Alright, here it is, right and left. Okay. And it looks like they give us some hardware and some double-sided tape. These are the rear spats. Oh wow. So these actually, I was expecting to be a flat black, but it actually looks painted already. That's pretty cool. There's the sides. Nice. Make sure I don't scratch this then. Looks like they also gave us some hardware. Alright guys, so we have it jacked up, and I mounted temporarily the lip kit because it's just me, so it helps to use some painter's tape to just see where you want it, and then you can adjust how far out you want it to poke, or if you want to push it back in closer. Now the fitment is perfect. This thing lines up great in the gloss, or the clear on this thing just makes it pop. Now I guess I'm gonna have to paint my front and rear spats as well to match. But to mount it up there, pretty simple. They provide you with some screws and washers. And as you can see from underneath, there's already holes pre-drilled into this thing. So all you gotta do is just screw it onto the bottom of the factory side skirt. I really like the way this thing looks. Alright, let me mount this and we'll take a look with it, and I'll remove the tape. Oh yeah, that's on secure. Alright, side skirt is on. And I can still adjust it if I wanted to poke more or go in some more. Let's see how that looks. I still got to get one more screw right here, but that means I got to take this bad boy off, so I'll do that in a second. I think I need to take this rear off anyway, for the rear. I do want to take this off. This is the OEM rear spats. But as you can see, it's starting to come off. So I want to take it off, put some new double-sided tape in there, and put it back on. But very happy. Oh, the side skirts, look. That gloss black. Wow. Alright, let's get this wheel off. Alright. Yep, definitely gonna need to take off the rear wheel, because for any of you that has this OEM side spat, take a look here. The bottom is closed off, so the way we're gonna put the lip on there isn't anything for it to catch on to. Hopefully you're seeing that. Yeah, the actual lineup or holes where these things are supposed to connect to is being blocked by the side spat. So let me take this one off and I'll determine whether or not I like it, if I prefer the OEM painted side spat or the lip. I mean, I could probably just drill some holes and make it work, but don't know if I want to do that yet. So let me put the car on the floor and take a look to see how everything looks without the side skirt and how it would look with the side skirt, and then go from there. Alright guys, I just lowered it and oh my god, this thing looks freaking amazing. I don't know, because it's too sunny, the camera's actually catching it. Take a look at that. Now there was some double-sided tape behind here. Don't forget to pull out the red piece before you bolt this on. I had to take it off and put it back on again. But check this out. Let's get it from the front. Just adds another layer of aggressiveness to the car. Alright, so I need to decide, do I get rid of that rear spat and put the black one on, or do I just keep it like that? Maybe I run both. We take a minute to just stare at this thing and decide.
2 hours later.
Alright, so we took the wheel off, which will give us space to put this final screw in. And I'm going to take the rear spat off, the OEM one, and put on our lip to try to figure out if I like that more or if I like this more, because honestly I can't decide. I think these will complete the look with the lip going all around the car. So let's get this off and we'll take a look. Let me clean this up a little bit. Alright, so I got most of the glue off from the double-sided tape. Still got some more here to take off. But I'll get to that afterwards. So now we got that cleaned up. And this is the side spat that we removed. It's the OEM side spats. I'm going to keep these around to see if I don't like that, that's going back on. But for now, let's get this mounted. Alright, so now that we have that off, we can see under here a lot better. These holes right here is where we are going to be mounting the rear lip. And we're going to be reusing, focus, we're going to be reusing these tabs. So there and up here and right here at the front. They also gave us nuts and bolts, and we're going to be using those for the other holes. So this thing will definitely be on secure. So let's pop it in. There we go. Alright, so we got a screw on the outside and we've reused the pop clips. I think on this side I'm going to put a nut and bolt as well for this one. Hopefully you're able to see that. This one utilized the clip, this utilized the clip, nut and bolt. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I like that. I think the lines are just right. With some adjustments, we'll get this pushed over more to the back. Not a problem. take a look. Here's what it looks like on the back. Yeah, I definitely like this. I think we're gonna run the lip on both sides for now at least. Let me button everything up and tidy it up, put the wheel back on, and we'll put it on the floor and take a look. Alright guys, everything on this side is on at least. Let's take a look. Here's the back. I really like the way this looks. I think the rear lip and the side, it just makes it a bit more aggressive and it looks freaking awesome. Yeah, let's take a look at the other side. That's still no lip and the OEM Spats. And this is with the lip and the aftermarket Spats or rear lip. Battery's a bit low, so let me throw on the other side. Is the exact same process. You just line it up, bolt it up, and that's it. So let me throw that on and we'll take a look at the car completed. Alright guys, everything's on and it looks amazing. Very happy with the way this lip kit looks. Got the rears. I like the finish black. That means I'm gonna have to paint the rear and the front lip now to match. But for now, I think it came out great. Definitely happy with how this came out, and that's gonna do it for today guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.